Hello everyone, welcome to NATUS and Aptitude World. I think all of you eagerly waiting for TCS Ninja National Qualifier Test for 2020 passouts. This year, it will be on 20th July 2019. In Quantitative Aptitude part, you will need to solve 15 questions in 30 minutes. For each correct answer, you will get 1 mark, and for every wrong answer, you will lose 1/3 of the mark. There is no negative mark in filling the blank questions. Out of these 15 questions, 10 questions from standard quantitative aptitude and the remaining 5 questions from advanced quantitative aptitude. My dear students, today onwards, daily I will post one quantitative aptitude video of 15 questions with solutions in the lane of TCS Ninja National Qualifier Test. You put a comment in comment box if you have any query regarding quantitative aptitude. Please subscribe my channel in order to get more updates of my channel. All the best to you all for TCS Ninja National Qualifier Test. First question. 1/4 of the tank contains fuel. When 11 liters of the fuel is poured into the tank, the indicator rests at off the mark. Find the capacity of the tank in liters. What is the question? 1/4 of the tank contains fuel. When 11 liters of the fuel poured into the tank, the indicator rests at the off of the mark. What is the meaning of this sentence? Suppose the tank capacity is equal to x. X by 4 of the tank, that is contains fuel. Suppose when 11 liters of the fuel poured into the tank, suppose if you will add 11 liters to this container, then what happened? That indicator rests half of the mark, that is equal to x by 2 or not. That means x by 2 minus x by 4, that is equal to 11 liters on. Now if you solve this equation, then you will get the value of x. What is the x? That is the capacity of the tank. So what is the LCM? That is equal to 4 2x minus x, that is equal to 11. So what is the value of x? That is equal to 44. So what is the capacity of the tank in liters? That is equal to 44. Option A is the correct answer. Second question. Find the length of the longest pole. You must remember longest pole that can be placed in indoor stadium of 24 meters long, 18 meters wide and 16 meters high. See, this is an one cuboidal formation. Suppose if you want to longest pole, that is nothing but a diagonal of the cuboid or not. What is the diagonal of the cuboid? If you know the length, width and height, then what is the diagonal? Diagonal is equal to square root of L square plus width square plus height square. Is it clear? Here what is the length? That is equal to 24 meters. What is the width? 18 meters. What is the height? That is equal to 16 meters. So what is the diagonal? That is equal to square root of 24 square plus 18 square plus 16 square. So this is equal to square root of 576 plus 324 plus 256. So this is equal to square root of 1156. If you solve this value, then you will get the value of 34 meters. So what is the longest pole? That is equal to 34 meters. Option B is the correct answer. Third question. In this rectangle, there are 4 triangles. A1 is equal to 1024, A2 equal to 1016 and A3 equal to 1057. What is the value of A4? This is nothing but these numbers are represented as area of these 3 triangles. What we required? Area of this triangle. These 4 are not even. We know that in a rectangle, if the length equal to L and width equal to W, what is the area of this rectangle? Length into width or not. Next, suppose if you will take one triangle, length is equal to L. If you know the height, let us take H1. Then what is the area of this triangle? That is equal to A1 or not. Here we know that the area of this triangle only. We note the value of L as well as H1 also. In the same way, suppose this is equal to H3. What is the area of this triangle? And this is L and this is also equal to L. Half into length into height. That is the area of the triangle on it. Now come to this part. Suppose if you will take this one, half into LH1 is equal to A1. That is equal to 1024 100. That implies LH1 is equal to 2048. Half into LH3 is equal to 1057. That implies LH3 is equal to 2114. Now, suppose if you will add these two, LH1 plus LH3 is equal to 2048 plus 2114. If we take L as a common, H1 plus H3 is equal to 4162. 4162. And what is the H1 plus H3? This is the length H1 and this is the length H3. Suppose if you add these two, what happened? That is nothing but a width of this rectangle or not. So length into width is equal to 4162. So area of this entire rectangle is equal to 4162. Here we know the areas of these three triangles. What we required? We required area of this triangle or not. Now A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is equal to 4162. Right? Now what about A4? A4 is equal to 4162 minus of A1 plus A2 plus A3. Isn't it? Now what is A4? Is equal to 4162 minus 1024 plus 1016 plus 1057. Right? And what is the value of A4? A4 is equal to 4162 minus of 3097. So this is equal to 1065. So what is the value of A4? The area of this triangle is equal to 1065. Option D is the correct one. Here area of this rectangle equal to length into width. Area of this triangle equal to half into length into height. Let us take this is the H1 and this is the H3. Then half into LH1 plus half into LH2 is equal to this part. So using this equation you will get the value of width. Then you suppose here we know the total area and we know the all these three triangles areas. What we require? This triangle or not. So A4 is equal to total area minus area of these three triangles. Next question. In a cricket tournament, 16 school teams were participated. A sum of 8,000 rupees is to be awarded among them as prize money. If the team placed lost is award 275 rupees as prize money, and the award increases by the same amount. This is very important point. Same amount for successive finishing places. How much will the team place first receive? See, what is the total amount? Total amount is equal to 8,000 rupees. How many participants are there? Participants are, that is equal to 16 members. The least performer gets how much amount? 275 rupees. What is the next? What is the successive? What is the previous? That is equal to same amount or not. That means, suppose if you take winner, next there are around 14 members in between winner and loser. Suppose the difference between the sum loser and the successive person is equal to this person and this person or not, and this person and this person and this person and this person. At the same time, winner and runner also same. That means that is nothing but that is called as common difference. That is called as common difference. So the difference between first person and second person is equal to the difference between the second and third person is equal to the difference between the third and fourth person, and so on. So that is the common difference. If you observe, let us take this is the first term and this is the last term, and a common difference is also there. That's why this is in the form of arithmetic progression. This is in the form of arithmetic progression. Here we know the total amount. In the arithmetic progression, total amount SN, we know that 8,000 rupees. And here we don't know the winner. How much amount did he get? And we know the value of loser, least person. So that is the lost person. That is equal to 275. Suppose if you know the total amount or if you know the total terms, then what is the arithmetic progression? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n. What is the A? A is nothing but a first term and L is nothing but a last term. In this case, what is the first term? That is the winner. What is the N? N is nothing but total number of schools. And what is the sum to N? That is equal to 8,000 rupees. Suppose if you will apply these values in this equation, 8,000 rupees is equal to 16 by 2 into A. A is nothing but a winner or not. Let us take winner plus loser. How much amount did get the loser? That is equal to 275 rupees or not. That equal to 275 rupees. Now this is equal to 8 times and this is equal to 1000 times. So 1000 rupees is equal to winner plus 275 rupees. Next, how much amount did winner gets? That is equal to 1000 minus 275 rupees. So this is equal to 725 rupees. Is it clear? So what is the answer? Answer is option D. Next question. If apples are bought at the rate of 30 for 100 rupees, how many apples must be sold for 100 rupees so as to gain 20%? What is the question here? If apples are bought at the rate of 30 for 100 rupees, so what is the cost price? Cost price of 30 is equal to 100 rupees or not. So what is the cost price of 1? That is equal to 100 by 30. Leave it. Next, how much profit did he get? That is equal to 20% or not. How much profit that he equal to 20%. So what is the selling price of one apple? That is equal to 100 by 30 into this person want to get 20% profit. That is equal to 120 by 100 or not. Suppose that person gets loss, then we represent 80 by 100. But here clearly mentioned gain 20%. So 100 gets cancelled and this is equal to 4. So selling price of each apple is equal to 4 rupees. But what is the question? How many apples must be sold for 100 rupees? Selling price of each apple is equal to 4 rupees. For how many apples are there? 100 by 4, that is equal to 25 apples. So what is the answer? Answer is option B. Next example. The length, breadth and height of a room in the shape of a cuboid or in the increased by 10%, 20% and 15% respectively. Find the percentage change in the value of the cuboid. See, in this type of questions, don't use length equal to L, breadth equal to B and height equal to H or XYZ, etc. Simply length, breadth and height. What about the old? Old values is good. Let us take 10, 10, 10. And what is the new values? New values, length is increased by 10%. What is the new length? That is equal to 11. Breadth is increased by 20%. What is the new breadth? 20% of this one, 2. Increased. So that is equal to 12. Height is increased by 50%. What is the 50% of 10? 5. It increases. So that is equal to 15. Now, What is the volt volume? What is the volt volume? That is equal to length into breadth into height, that is equal to 1000. What is the new volume? That is 11 into 12 into 15, right? So that is equal to 11 12 so 132, 132 into 15, that is equal to 1980. Old volume is equal to 1000, new volume equal to 1980. In this transaction, how much increases? 980 increases. 980 increases. Old volume is equal to 1000. How much is increases? 980. But what we require? Find the percentage change in the volume of the cuboid. So per 100, how much? So that is equal to 100 by 1000 into 980. Get cancelled. So that is equal to 98% increase. So what is the answer? Answer is option D. Next question. Two dice are rolled. What is the probability of getting the sum of the numbers as a multiple of 5 or 4? Here clearly mentioned there are two dice. Suppose two dice are thrown. What is the total number of outcomes? That is 6 square. That is equal to 36. Now what we require? What is the probability of getting sum of the numbers as a multiple of 5 or 4? Some of the numbers. Suppose first die 1 and second die 2. Then what is the sum that is represented? That is equal to 3 or not. So suppose two dice are thrown, how many possibilities are? What is the least possibility? That is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Next 3, next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Total these possibilities are there. A simple technique is there here. Suppose if you want to get sum 2, how many possibilities are there? Let us take 1. Suppose if you want to get sum as 3, then how many possibilities are there? That is 2. And this is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. If you observe, all are in increasing manner. And 8th onwards decreasing. That is 5. Next 4, 3, 2, 1. That means, suppose two dice are thrown, how many possibilities are there? The sum, those two dice shows sum as 7, that is equal to 6. Suppose if you want to sum is equal to 6, how many possibilities are there? 5. Suppose if you want to sum as 9, how many possibilities are there? 4. Just you remember these values. No need to calculate how many 3, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, etc. See, 1 to 2 to 7, it's increasing manner, 1 to 6. And then onwards, it decreasing from 6 to 1. Now, what we require? Multiples of 5 or 4. Suppose a multiple of 5. How many possibilities are there? That is 5 and 10. And whatever the multiple of 4, that is equal to 4, 8 and 12. Right? Now, come to the part. Suppose if you want to sum as 5, how many possibilities are there? That is equal to 4 or not. If you want to sum as 10, how many possibilities are there? That is equal to 3. Now, if you want to sum as 4, how many possibilities are there? That is equal to 3. If you want to sum as 8, how many possibilities are there? 5. If you want to sum as 12, how many possibilities are there? 1. Now, what is the total? That is equal to 16 possibilities are there. That is 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1, that equals 16. Now, what is the probability? What is the probability? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. How many favorable outcomes are there here? That is equal to 16. What about the total number of outcomes? That is equal to 6 square. That is equal to 36 or not. So, this is equal to 16 by 36. So, what is the answer? Answer is equal to 16 by 36. Next question. HCF of 2472, 1284 and third number n is 12 and their LCM is 8 into 9 into 5 into 103 into 107. Find the value of n. See, here LCM is in the form of prime factors. Okay. Now, LCM of three numbers is equal to 2 cube into 3 square into 5 into 103 into 107. This is in the form of prime factors. Now you will convert these two numbers into prime factors. Now 2472 is equal to how much? You will convert this one. 2472. First divide this number with 2. This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Divide this number with 2 and that is equal to 6, 1, 8. Divide this number with 2, 3, 0, 9. Divide this number with 3, 1, 0, 3. So 2472 is equal to 2 cube into 3 into 103. Right? And next, convert the second number 1284 into product of the prime factors. That is equal to 1284. Now what is the smallest prime number? 2. 6, 4, 2. Divide this number with 2, 3, 21. Divide this number with 3, 107. So this is equal to 2 square into 3 into 107. See, LCM of three numbers equal to 2 cube into 3 square into 5 into 103 into 107. The number 2 cube into 3 into 103. So 103 is there. And next 2 cube is also there, but only 3. And what is the second number? 2 square already exists. 3, only 3. And 107 is also exist. But what about this case? Only 1 3 exists in these two numbers. But here 3 square is there. So what is the value of n? In n must be have 3. N must have 3. And what about 5? 5 doesn't exist in 2472 and 1284. So 5 is also exist in the third number. And next, so what is the answer? Answer is equal to 3. And what about the 3? But here 3 square is there. But what about these cases? Only 3 is there. So 3 square into 5 must be in the third number. So that is okay. But another condition is also there. What is that condition? HCF of these two numbers, these three numbers, that is equal to 12. What is the meaning of this statement? Here 12 is a factor of all these numbers. 12 is a factor of this number. 12 is a factor of this number. But what about this case? 12 is not a factor of this number. What can we do? Simply we will multiply 2 square with this number. We multiply 2 square with this number. So what is the answer? Answer must be 2 square into 3 square into 5. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. This is in the advanced quantitative aptitude. Assume that f of 1 equal to 0, f of m plus n equal to f of m plus f of n plus 4 into 9mn minus 1. For all natural numbers which is greater than 0 of m and n, what is the value of f of 17? See, if you want to find out f of 17, here we know that only f of 1. Suppose if you know the value of f of 16, then it's easily find out the f of 17. Why? Because we know that f of m plus n. Suppose this is value is equal to 1 and this value must be equal to 16. But what is the f of 16? We must find out what is the f of 16. Right? Now, before that, here what is the clue? F of 1 is equal to 0. So, f of 1 is equal to 0. And what is f of 2? That is equal, let us take f of 1 plus 1 or not. F of m plus n equal to f of m plus f of n plus 4 into mn minus 1. F of 1 plus 1 equal to how much? F of 1 plus f of 1 plus 4 into 9 into 1 into 1 minus 1. So that is f of 1 equal to 0 plus 0 plus 4 into 9 minus 1, 8. So that is equal to 32. 2. Now, what is the f of 4? Is equal to f of 2 plus 2. Same way, f of 2 plus f of 2 plus 4 into 9 into 2 into 2 minus 1 is equal to, what is the value of f of 2? That is equal to 32 plus 32 plus 4 into 9 2 is 18, 18 2 is 36 minus 1, that is equal to 35 is equal to 204. And what is the f of 8? That is equal to f of 4 plus 4. So that is equal to f of 4 plus f of 4 plus 4 into 9 into 4 into 4 minus 1 is equal to, what is f of 4? 204 plus 204 plus 4 into 9 4s 36 into 4 minus 1. So that is 144. 144 minus 1, that is equal to 143 is equal to 204 plus 204 plus 4 into 103, that is equal to 980. And what of f of 16? So that is equal to f of 8 plus f of 8 plus 8. F of 8 plus 8, that is equal to f of 8 plus f of 8 plus 4 into 9 into 8 into 8 minus 1 is equal to 980 plus 980 plus 4 into 9 into 8 72, 72 into 8 576 minus 1, that is equal to 5, that is equal to 575. So if you solve this equation, then you will get the value of 4260. But what we required f of 17 or not. So f of 17 is equal to how much? F of here 1 plus 16. If m equal to 1 and n equal to 16. So this is equal to f of 1 plus f of 16 plus 4 into 9 into 1 into 16 minus 1. So that is equal to, what is f of 1? 0 plus f of 16 4260 plus 4 into 9 16 is 144 minus 1 143. So this is equal to 4832 is the required answer. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to option C. Next question. How many number plates can be made if the number plates have two letters of the English alphabet A to Z, followed by two digits 0 to 9? If the repetition of the digits or alphabet is not allowed. Here what we require? We require number plate of how many empty places are there? There are 4 empty places. First, these two occupied by alphabet and these two occupied by digits. Total how many alphabet are there? That is equal to 26. So these two are alphabet. So how many possibilities to occupy this place? How many alphabet are fixed this place? That is equal to 26 or not. There are 26. Suppose one alphabet is fixed here. How many alphabet are left? There are 25. Out of 25 alphabet, we will fix only one letter. So that is equal to how many possibilities? 25 C1. That is equal to 25. Next, come to the digits part. How many digits are there? 10 digits. Here we include 0 also. Out of 10 digits, how many possibilities to occupy this place? That is equal to 10 or not. Any digit from 0 to 9. Suppose one digit is fixed here. How many digits are left? 9 digits. So this place is occupied by any of 9 digits. So total what happened? Total how many possibilities are there? 25 into 26 into 10 into 9. So this is equal to 25 into 26. That is equal to 650. 650 into 9. 650 into 9, that is equal to 5850. We required into 10 also, into 10. So that is equal to 58500 is the required answer. Next question. This is the reasoning topic. Here 5 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 1, 5, 1, 0, 2, 2, 9 plus 2 plus 4, 1, 8, 3, 6, 5, 2, 8 plus 6 plus 3, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 6, and 4 plus 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 plus 4, some etc. What we required? 7 plus 2 plus 5 equal to. If you observe, 5, 3, 2 is equal to 1, 5, 1, 0, 2, 2. Now, if you observe 5 into 3, that is equal to 15. 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. Next, what is the next number? 9, 2, 4 is equal to 18, 36, 52. Here also, 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 9 into 4, that is equal to 36. What is the next number? 8, 6, 3 is equal to 48, 24, 66. 8 into 6, 48. 8 into 3, 24. But what about the remaining digits? Remaining numbers 22, 52, 66, etc. If you observe, what is the 15 plus 10 is equal to 25 or not? What is the middle number? 3. 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. What is the middle number? That is equal to 3. That is equal to 22 is these two numbers. And what about this case? 18 plus 36. So 18 plus 36, that is equal to 54 or not? 54 minus 2 is equal to 52 is the answer. And what about this case? 48 plus 24 is equal to how much? 72 or not? 72 minus 6 is equal to 66 is the answer. Now come to the third one. Here 5, 4, 5 is equal to, first 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. Next 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. And what is the sum of these two? 45. 45 minus 4 is equal to 41 or not? So this is also satisfied. Now what is the question here? 7, 2, 5. So what is the first one? 7 into 2, that is equal to 14. What is the second one? 7 into 5, that is equal to 35. What is the next one? 14 plus 35. So that is equal to 49. 49 minus, what is the middle number? 2. So this is equal to, what is the answer? Answer is equal to 14 plus 35, that is equal to 49. Next 49 minus 2, that is equal to 47. So what is the answer? Answer is option B. Next question, a simple quantitative aptitude question. If M is 30% of Q, Q is 20% of P, and if 50% of P, then what is the value of M and M by N? Silly. Simple P, Q, M and N. Let us take P is equal to 100. Let us take P equal to 100. What is the Q? Q is 20% of P. So 20% of the 100, that is equal to 20 or not. Now M is 30% of Q. 30% of 20. 30% of 10 is equal to 3. 30% of 20 is equal to 6 or not. And what is the value of N? N is 50% of P. What is the value of P? 100. What is the value of N? That is equal to 50 or not. Now what we required? We required m by n. So what is the m? That is equal to 6. What is the n? That is equal to 50. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 3 by 25. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. This is an advanced question. Given that 0 is less than, a is less than, b is less than, c is less than, d, all are positive integers. Which are the following is the largest? You must remember, if the denominator is decreases, the value must be increases or not. If the denominator is decreases, value must be increases. So, if you observe, 0 is less than, a is less than, b is less than, c is less than, d. Here we will take any value for a, b, c, d except 0 and 1 also. No need to take 1. In some cases, 1 is not satisfy the condition. So, except 1 you will take any number. But the condition must be satisfied. Here a is less than, b is less than, c is less than, d, right? So let us take a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to 4 and d equal to 5. Now if you will substitute the values in these options, you will get the value of, you will get the exact answer. See, what is the condition? Here if the denominator is reduces, the value must be increases. Here a plus b, here a plus c, here a plus d and here b plus c. In the same way, if the numerator is increases, value is also increases. If you observe c plus d by a plus b, so that is equal to 4 plus 5 by 2 plus 3. If you observe, this is the sum of these two is larger than any combination. And the sum of these two is smaller than any combination. Why? Because these two are least values. These two are largest values. So what is the answer? Answer is option A. A, B, C can together do some work in 72 days. A, B and C. A and B can together do 2 times as much work as C alone. A and B takes 2 times as much as C alone. And A and C together can 4 times as much as work B alone. But what is the question here? Find the time taken by C alone. No need to find out what is the A or B, etc. Here we require C's work only. Now, if you observe what is the first condition, A plus B plus C can complete the work in how many days? 72 days. In how many days? That is equal to 72 days. Right? What is the condition? If A plus B is equal to 2C or not. Why? Because A and B together do 2 times as much work as C alone. So C, if you multiply this value of C with 2, that is equal to A and B or not. Now if you substitute this value in this first equation, then you get the value of C. That means A plus B equal to 2C or not. So 2C plus C, that is equal to 3C. 3 capacity of C can complete how much work? That is equal to 72 days. But what we require? We require C's capacity or not. 3 times of the C's can complete the work in 72 days. Only C can complete the work in how many days? 72 into 3, that is equal to 216 days is the required answer. How many pairs of m and n of integers is very important. Satisfy the equation 4 to the power of m is equal to n square plus 15. Here 4 to the power of m is equal to n square plus 15. Right? Here we will substitute some values and you can find out the value of m and n. Right? And suppose if m is equal to 0, then what happened? 4 power 0 is equal to n square plus 15. This implies what is n square? That is equal to 1 minus 15, that is equal to minus 14 or not. If you want to find out the value of n, that is imaginary. But what we require? Integer or not. So this is not satisfy the condition. If m equal to 1, that implies 4 power 1 is equal to n square plus 15. That implies n square is equal to 4 minus 15, that is equal to minus 1. Here also, if you want to find out the value of n, that is imaginary, so that is also not satisfy the condition. And what is the next step? If m is equal to 2, then what happened? 4 square is equal to n square plus 15. That implies n square is equal to 16 minus 15, that is equal to 1. That implies n is equal to plus or minus 1. That means if m is equal to 2, what is the value of n? Either 1 or minus 1. Next, if m is equal to 3, then what happened? That is 4 to the power of square 4 cube is equal to n square plus 15. That implies n square is equal to 64 minus 15, that is equal to 49. That implies n is equal to plus or minus 7. So if the value of m is equal to either plus 7 or minus 7. See, this is enough. No need to substitute the value of m, etc. Why? Because here the value is equal to 15. The product of two numbers must be equal to 15. Here how many possibilities are there? Only 4 possibilities. Now, how many pairs are there? Suppose if n is equal to 2, what is the n? That is equal to minus 1. If m is equal to 2, what is the value of n? That is equal to plus 1. If m is equal to 3, what is the value of m? Minus 7. If m is equal to 3, what is the value of n? That is equal to plus 7. So what is the answer? So how many pairs are satisfy the condition? That is equal to 4 pairs. That is the answer. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will meet with another 15 questions. Thank you, one and all.